Hello everyone! Ever wanted the Google Play Store on your Windows PC? Today, I'll show you how. Start by opening your browser and typing in Google Play Store. From the list of sites, tap Google Play Store. Once you're on the site, look for the three dots at the top right corner. Then, hover over More Tools, then select Create Shortcut. You can rename the shortcut if needed. Ensure Open as Window is checked and then click Create. Go to your desktop and just double-click to open it anytime. It's that easy. And you have the Google Play Store running on your PC. If you wish to remove it, simply click on the three dots again, select Uninstall Android apps on Google Play, and hit Remove. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!